Just out hiking, I've just spotted something really strange. There's a sheep. Oh, there it is. And it's lying down. It is moving. What's up with this guy? Yeah, buddy. You alive? You are alive. What do? I try and stand it up or something? What's wrong with you? Can you get up? Up you get. Come on. You up? You up? You okay? Oh no. He's not getting up. Keep it in the comments. What are we supposed to do with the sheep? What's up with you? You okay? I don't know. It's going to cost the farmer some money though. I tried. Oh, this poor little guy. Well, it's nature, I suppose.